One of the most often used dietary supplements is fish oil. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are extremely beneficial to your health. If you don't eat much oily fish, a fish oil supplement may be able to help you acquire adequate omega-3 fatty acids. We'll look at the key health benefits of including fish oil in your diet in this video. On the basis of the most recent scientific evidence. 1. It promotes heart health. The most common cause of death is heart disease. The top cause of death on the planet. Plaque, which is primarily composed of fat, cholesterol, and calcium, can obstruct blood flow. Accumulate in your arteries, preventing oxygen-rich blood from flowing freely throughout your body. A. Fish and seafood consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. Fish are abundant in omega-3 fats and low in saturated fat. Omega-3s have antioxidant properties. Its anti-inflammatory properties, as well as the ability to improve endothelial function. Because cells that lining blood vessels are consumed, there is a chance that it will help prevent cardiovascular disease. 2. It helps to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a number of dangerous disorders. Obesity, diabetes, depression, and heart disease are just a few examples. Inflammation can be reduced. Symptoms of these disorders should be treated. Fish oil contains anti-inflammatory effects, so it's a good choice. It may aid in the treatment of chronic inflammatory disorders. Supplements containing fish oil. In those with rheumatoid arthritis, it can considerably improve joint pain, stiffness, and pharmaceutical demands. Arthritis is a condition that causes discomfort in the joints. 3. Aids in the treatment of autoimmune diseases. When it comes to autoimmune diseases, when you have a sickness, your immune system misidentifies healthy cells as alien cells and attacks them. Type 1 diabetes, for example, is a condition in which your immune system targets the insulin-producing cells in your body. Your pancreas contains cells. According to research, having adequate omega-3s during your first year of life is crucial. Is associated to a lower risk of autoimmune disorders such as type 1 diabetes and autoimmune diseases. Multiple sclerosis, MS, and diabetes, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and ulcerative colitis can all be helped with omega-3s. Psoriasis, colitis, and Crohn's disease. 4. Lowers the amount of fat in the liver. Non-alcoholic. You may be surprised to learn that fatty liver disease is more widespread than you thought. It has risen as a result of the obesity pandemic. In the Western world, it has become the most common cause of chronic liver disease. However, in those with liver disease, using omega-3 fatty acid supplements effectively decreases liver fat and inflammation. Fatty liver disease that isn't caused by alcohol. 5. Assists in the treatment of depression and anxiety. Depression is one of the world's most common mental illnesses. Sadness, tiredness, and a general lack of enthusiasm in life are all symptoms. Anxiety is another prevalent ailment. Constant concern and anxiousness define this illness. Interestingly, research shows that people who eat omega-3s on a regular basis are less prone to be depressed. Furthermore, when persons suffering from depression or anxiety take omega-3 supplements, their symptoms improve. 6. Bone and joint health are improved. Arthritis and osteoporosis are two frequent diseases that affect women. Your skeletal structure. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown in studies to promote bone strength by increasing bone mineral density. The calcium content of your bones, which should lower your risk of osteoporosis. Omega-3 fatty acids may also help with arthritis. Patients who use omega-3 supplements have stated that their symptoms have improved. Increased grip strength and joint discomfort. 7. It aids in the prevention of cancer. Cancer is one of the most common diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids have long been touted as one of the primary causes of death in the Western world. Certain tumors are less likely to occur. Surprisingly, research have revealed that those who consume the most colon cancer risk is reduced by up to 55% when omega-3s are consumed. Consumption of omega-3 fatty acids is also beneficial. Prostate cancer prevention in men and breast cancer prevention in women has been connected. 8. Enhances mental performance. Nearly 60% of your brain is made up of fat, with omega-3 making up the majority of that fat. Fatty acids are a type of fat. As a result, omega-3 fatty acids are required for appropriate brain function. Several studies have found a correlation between higher education and better health. Omega-3 consumption has been linked to a reduction in age-related mental decline and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3 supplements may be useful, according to a review of controlled research. When Alzheimer's disease first appears, the symptoms are extremely modest. Some, in fact. According to studies, patients with various mental problems have reduced omega-3 levels in their blood. 9. It aids in the improvement of eye health. Omega-3 fats are important for your eyes, just as they are for your brain. There is proof of this. People who do not consume enough omega-3 fatty acids have a higher chance of developing eye disorders. DHA is a kind of omega-3 fatty acid. The retina of your eye is made up primarily of omega-3 fatty acids. When you don't get enough DHA in your diet, it is possible that eyesight issues will occur. Interestingly, having adequate omega-3 has been related to a lower risk of heart disease. Macular degeneration is one of the most common causes of permanent vision loss and blindness around the world. 10. It aids with weight loss. Obesity is defined as a body mass index of 30 or higher. Around 39% of adults in the world are overweight, with 13% being obese. Obesity can have a big impact on your life. You're more likely to get other ailments like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Fish oil supplements may help obese persons modify their body composition and reduce their risk factors for heart disease. Furthermore, some studies show that fish oil supplements, when combined with a healthy diet and exercise, can help you lose weight. Can assist you in losing weight. 11. It promotes skin health. Your skin is beautiful. It's your body's largest organ, and it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. The state of one's skin can be improved. Declines over time, especially as you get older or after too much sun exposure. Having stated that, fish oil supplements may be beneficial for a variety of skin conditions. Psoriasis and dermatitis, to name a few. 12. Assists in the improvement of sleep. One of the most important aspects of good health is a good night's sleep. The cornerstones of good health. Many disorders, including obesity, have been linked to sleep deprivation in studies. Diabetes and depression are two conditions that are linked. Low quantities of omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to sleep issues. Obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, in children and obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, in adults. DHA deficiency has also been connected to heart disease. To reduced amounts of the hormone melatonin, which aids in sleep. Both children and adults have been studied. Supplementing with omega-3 improves the length and quality of sleep in both children and adults.